Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be refreshing my backyard garden. I'm going to be pulling up the old edging, adding new edging. I'm going to be laying new soil, putting new flower pots in, just shaping up the bushes, just make everything beautiful for the summer. I'm also going to be doing a DIY planter, so stay tuned guys. So guys, now that I'm done pulling up that old edging, I'm just snapping these edge panels together. There is plastic, hard plastic. I've used them before and they lasted a few years. So this works for me. So I am just now digging a trench so I can just lay this here, and I'm gonna later hammer it with a little soft hammer. I'm just lining it up now just to make sure it's in the position that I need it to be. So guys, now I am taking the weed eater, the trimmer as well, to edge up these mums that I have right here. I just go around because they grow in a round space. During the springtime and in the fall time, they are beautiful yellow. So I'm just trimming around those, and then I'm gonna raking up the grass and the clippings of the bushes just to clean it up before I put this new soil in. So guys, I like to use soil back here and not mulch because I have two sprinkler heads back here and it gets so much water here. The mulch always mildew, then turn white, and I just hate digging mulch out of here every single year. So for about 2 years now, I've been just adding soil to refresh the garden area, and it seems to be working just fine. So now I'm just refreshing my sign that says Loves Grow Here that I keep in my little garden with a little yellow spray paint just to brighten it up a little, guys. And I'm also going to be spray painting this little butterfly that I purchased from Dollar Tree last year, just because I really didn't like the color and it doesn't coordinate with any of my other color scheme for the backyard. So I just constantly spray paint things, guys, just to change colors and to keep the colors fresh. Okay, so now I'm spray painting this S monogram sign that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I just think it'll look better up against my dark stained back fence. And just to make it stand out and be bright up against the fence. The black was a beautiful color. I just think the white would really pop against my fence, and you guys will see what I'm talking about later. Now I'm just putting together this little garden flag that I purchased from Amazon. I actually purchased 2 of them. I thought they would give my garden a little charm and personalize it just a little bit. So now I'm just putting that together, and the colors are so bright and beautiful. I just love it, guys. So guys, now that I've gotten everything put together, I put the garden flags together as well. I'm going to start adding things into my garden. I've finished spray painting the Love Grows Here sign, and here are the 2 white flower pots that I'm going to use. I put soil in them, and I'm going to actually be using the artificial flowers from Dollar Tree. They were $1 each. So in my backyard, I typically use artificial and real flowers. In my backyard, I like to give a mixture of both. So the red flowers that you see here, they are from Home Depot. Those are real, they're annual flowers. I've never grown them before, but I'm going to put them in the black pots just to see pretty much how they grow. What I'm actually doing now, guys, is putting plant stands because I want the in the soil, because I want the planters to be raised a little. So I'm putting plant stands. They're really short ones. I believe I got them from Dollar Tree. I'm just trying to figure out where I'm trying to place them. So I want the planters to sit up a little higher here. So I know it may not look like much, guys, but make sure you stay to the very end so you can see everything in full bloom. So now I am going to spray paint my large flower planter, guys. I'm going to actually create a DIY solar waterfall, water fountain. I did a few of them last year, so this time I just want the pot to be white to go with the color scheme of the rest of my backyard. Now here, since the pot is so large, I'm going to add this smaller flower pot in the middle to sit another flower pot on top with soil around it, and then I'm going to plant the red vincas around the flower pot just to give it some height. So when I do sit the flatter bowl on top with the solar panel, then it'll be a little higher than the flowers. So here I'm just adding river rocks to the flower pot just to give it a little weight until when I put so the wind won't blow it away first of all, and when I put the solar panels in, it'll actually just stay on there, guys, without moving. And that concludes our Garden Fresh video, guys. If you've liked what you've seen today, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.